Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to add a form to WordPress. First, you'll need to select a suitable form builder plugin. There are many excellent choices available directly from your WordPress dashboard, such as WP Forms, Contact Forms 7, or Fluent Forms. When making your selection, think about features like an intuitive drag-and-drop interface and robust spam protection. Once you've chosen your plugin, the next step is installation and activation. Head over to the Plugins section within your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can easily search for your selected form builder by name. After finding it, simply click the Install Now button and then activate to enable its full functionality on your website. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. Once you've selected a service, the next step is to set up your account and subscribe. After that, download the service's dedicated application onto your device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or phone. For the most authentic and enjoyable Skate 3 experience, we highly recommend connecting a compatible game controller. This setup ensures smooth controls and responsiveness, making your virtual skateboarding sessions feel just right, almost like playing on a console. Finally, let's get your form onto your website. Navigate to the page or post where you want the form to appear, or create a brand new one. Within the WordPress block editor, you can easily add a dedicated form block or paste a shortcode provided by your plugin. Simply select your newly created form from the available options, then publish or update the page to make it live for your visitors. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.